Today I am going to offer tips on how you can take good photos at night all on your phone, aka the Pixel 3. Hello, simpletons! So a lot of the times if you're shooting at night and there's not a good light source around, it either look really grainy or really dark that it's just a picture of blackness. So if you don't have a DSLR, not to worry, you can get the same quality with your phone. So I have the Google Pixel XL. Google released a feature called Night Sight. I'm telling you, it is a complete game changer. The before and afters are crazy. I'm gonna take you through some of them and I'm gonna show you how I use the feature. So what Night Sight does is it takes multiple exposures and combines them to get an even better result, and it also reduces noise in the photo. Both of these pictures are taken with the Pixel 3. This shot specifically was taken without Night Sight, and this one was taken with Night Sight. There is such a difference between the two. The one taken with Night Sight, you can see there's a lot more detail in the shot. It's not as dark and there's a lot more color captured. So here's another shot with myself in it. So the one taken without Night Sight, really grainy, really dark, and then this one was taken with Night Sight. A lot more color, I look less dead, and a lot more detail as well. I never used to take pictures at night. All the shots always turned out really grainy, and as y'all know, it's really hard to edit when a picture is already so grainy, but Night Sight has completely changed all that. I don't even need to bring my big camera around. When I'm editing a shot at night, it really doesn't differ much between how I normally edit, so I'm not going to take you through all the steps because you can just watch it within the link below. If you've been watching my other editing tutorials, you'll know that I love using grainy film, but whenever I take pictures at night, because it's more susceptible to grain, I'm not going to add more grain. So to show you a comparison, this is an edited shot taken with the Pixel 3 XL. This is an edited shot taken with the Sony a6000. So obviously with the Sony, it's going to capture more detail and there's going to be a lot more depth into the shot. In terms of quality for posing on Instagram, for example, I would say they're pretty much comparable. So guys, get a Pixel 3, use Night Sight, change your life. If you have a pretty decent camera, again, it doesn't have to be a DSLR, and you have some sort of light source around, whether it be a lit up tree or a lamp or some neon lights, it should be good to go. So don't be afraid to venture out at night and take some cool nighttime shots. Just don't be too adventurous and end up in an alley by yourself or in a really scary part of town. If you are, it's on you. So I know this is a really short video, but I just wanted to show you guys how cool Night Sight is and how it can up your nighttime shot game. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below what other tips you have for shooting at night. As much as I'm teaching y'all, I'm always learning from you guys and I love hearing your ideas. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the Simpleton family. Alright, I will see you guys next week. Bye!
Okay, bye.
No, not next week. Next time. I will see you guys next time. Yeah. Bye!